Hey, it's Joe Hildreth, and it's been a little while since I put a video on YouTube, but my youngest son Michael made a trip with me to a little place in Kentucky called Sedalia, where we found us an Atlas. This is a TH54. It's a 10-inch lathe, 54-inch bed. So it has a 10-inch swing between the center and the bed, and has about 36 inches of clearance between the headstock center and the tailstock center. Now, when we bought this, we got it fairly cheap. It's on a cast iron. It's got the cast iron legs. Somebody put this chip tray under it, but it kind of interferes. I think we're going to end up putting a tube of 12 or something like that under it to make it look a little bit more traditional. Now, the lathe was missing some stuff when we got it. When we had it, it had this slide. This is kind of a crazy slide. I think it's some sort of production slide. I think it was mounted this way. Here's the gib to it, and it had this little tool post here mounted back here, and it had a stack of tools. But I'm guessing that maybe a cutoff tool or something. You know, so you have some tooling in the front, tooling in the back. If anybody knows exactly what the slide is for, or please let me know. There's T-slot on the side, T-slot here in the front, T-slot here in the back. So that was really the only thing it had with it. Had no tooling, so I'm still kind of putting stuff together. I did find a compound and cross slide for it. So I've got those parts. Got a faceplate for it today. So it needs a little bit of work. The reversing, I'm sorry, I forgot I had bolted that. The back gears, where when they would launch or engage, there's a pin here that has to be pulled, so that allows the bowl gear and the pulley to freely spin. And this is seized in here, so I think in order to fix that, I'm probably going to have to pull the spindle. Now things here are they're not really bolted up; they're just kind of together. But we're going to talk more about this lathe. Another reason to pull the spindle out, aside from the to fix this, is that once this dust cover comes off, there will be usually a date etched on the bearing, so I'll know what year this lathe was made. In addition to needing some tooling and centers and tool posts and that sort of stuff, I don't have the change gears. The gearing, as I understand it, when I look at the threading chart, it's actually set up for 16 threads per inch, so I guess somebody was cutting screws with it, whoever had it last. Now I'm kind of used to a reversing lever being here and a pair of idler gears to reverse the lead screw. This one has a reversing box, according to Atlas, and according to the documentation anyway, that this could be moved on the fly. Have to have some movement of the lead screw here in order to get it to engage. But again, I want to take it apart and clean it up, and I'm pretty excited to have a bigger lathe. My son Zachary, who has been doing some stuff with me, we cast some angle brackets to make a flask alignment hardware out of, and we kind of screwed them up. They were too small to turn on the other lathe. I mean, we managed it, but here you can see I got plenty of room to get a pair of those on there and have plenty of swing and clearance. On my little 6-inch Craftsman lathe, I just did not have the travel on the cross slide to really face them off. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at. I think the next time we record, we're going to probably pull the spindle out so we can free this up, start getting some hardware, get a tube of 12 and get under here. I haven't decided whether if I want to strip and paint or just use it. I've got a couple of projects that I need a lathe on right away. So anyway, this is the first video, and like I said, the next video will be we're going to pull that headstock spindle apart and see what's going on with this pin over here in this bowl gear, why we can't pull it out. So But anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching, and we'll have some more videos upcoming on this and some other casting videos and some other things that we have lined up here in the near future. So again, thanks for watching, and hopefully as time permits I can get more videos out. But with work and family and everything else, they take precedence, obviously. So hang in there, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, and visit myheat.com. If you like these videos, click like. If you don't, I guess hit the thumbs down. But any questions, leave a comment. Thanks, and have a great day.